Ratchet 25 here, and I'm here to do another Transformers review. The review is going to be on this guy, Dark of the Moon Deluxe Metteki Ratchet, white in G1 colours. Yes, I saw this in shops and I looked it over. Thought, oh, I've got the Voyager. Why should I go out and get another Molten? What I've already done, which I already like. Unfortunately, this surpasses the Voyager in transformation, playability, everything. Kid you not, I do like my Voyager, but this bot is a little gem. It is. I did get it in a deal with a couple others. And I never looked back. The bot that I wanted to get weren't really one I was looking for, but this I like more. Yeah, it's a nice little hidden gem. It's a nice little representation of the movies Ambulance, in case. Not so much, it looks more like a rescue vehicle from like a mountain pursuit, not like an ambulance as it depicted. And there you have Dark of the Moon revealed. They redid this several times. The Dark of the Moon, the Age of Extinction, and Takara exclusive, revealed the shield, and figures like this, bots like this, are nice little hidden gems, and makes you think. If I looked over this and a couple others, what else have I looked over? But yeah, this sits on my Age of Extinction shelf, and I think it suits it. The plastic in it is not flimsy, it's all brilliant, and it's just a really good, it's just a really good bot and really well built together. And you can see it's got light piping in it, and it's actually picking it up there on the camera. The face sculpt is very, very nice of the movie with the G1 colour scheme. And I just can't sing this bot's praises enough. But yeah, take a look at some bots, some other reviews, and in the EA this year I'm going to get the bots that I want, and with whatever I might find some hidden gems. So this is Ratchet 25 signing out. Till all I want. Peace. たら様の意識を見たいね